Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Lemon Tree Hotels. Our analyst maintains positive view on Lemon Tree with an upside potential of 26% over the next 12 months. With room demand expected to exceed supply, occupancy rates and ARRs are likely to consistently improve in the coming years. Lemon Tree aims to reach a network of over 300 hotels with more than 20,000 rooms by calendar year 2028, with a mix of 70:30 between managed and owned hotels. Backed by an aggressive asset-light model-based expansion plan, Lemon Tree is on a strong footing to achieve solid revenue and PAT growth of 17% and 32% respectively over FY24 to FY26, with incremental growth coming in FY25. The stock is trading at an attractive valuation of 16 times its FY25 and 14 times its FY26 EV by EBITDA respectively. Next, we have an update on Exide Industry. Our analyst maintains a buy on Exide Industry with a price target of Rs 585 on expectation of a steady recovery in replacement demand, better EBITDA margin profile, and timely execution of its Lion Cell project. Exide Industrial segment is expected to perform well in most industrial sub-segments, including UPS, solar power, etc. Its lithium-ion project is on track, first phase to be commissioned in calendar year 25. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 28.5 times its FY26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.